Hey guys, 4 AM today, and I got new update for you. Today I have added a wooden house with a straw roof. Also it should be evening, but that's something on the side. So about the house, I have implemented instancing, so if I were to click on the door, I can enter the house. Now in the house, it's pretty much empty and small because it's like the basic smallest house, but I can already build some more stuff like a straw bed. Unfortunately I don't have the resources, so I'm gonna destroy the sign and just cheat my way to get a bed. Alright, let's build some more stuff. What else do I have? I got a cupboard which currently has no function whatsoever. I've just implemented those items, but I need to implement their functions later on. Only the bed actually works. Now if you recall, I've mentioned that it should be nighttime or evening. I'm not sure. It's like early evening, so there's like only a little bit of darkness. But if it's evening, I should be able to sleep. Nope, it's not evening. So that reminds me of another thing. I should save the daytime in the save file, because I have reloaded the game. Never mind. Just if you use the bed, it just skips the night. It's as if you were to use the shelter. This update is more about instancing and stuff related to the house, or even caves or whatever. So this is all the new stuff, and this is gonna be pretty short update, even though I spent a lot of time on it. With the cupboard and crate, they are gonna be used to store stuff. Cupboards can be used only inside buildings. Crates can be used anywhere. The trick about instancing, I guess I got time to go there and talk about it more, is that I had no idea how to do it. I was following no tutorial or whatever. I tried to figure it out myself, and the first thing I've done is that I have added a trigger to a certain location, which is the door. So if you click the door, it will recognize the click, and it would switch the game to an instance mode, which uses different object list, different drawing style. So it will just draw a black screen, and then I started adding on to the black screen. I have added the floor, and I have the house itself as an object has its own instance locked onto it as part of it, and when you enter the house, you load up the instance and tell the game that it should use the instance instead of the overworld map. So this forces certain things like this green border. The game checks if you're building inside of it. If you try to build outside of it, it's not gonna do anything. Also, if you might have noticed that there's no snapping to grid anymore. It only works for the stone wall now, or if you press Ctrl, you can align things to the grid. So yeah, it checks the border. Another thing I've added is to check or create bounds for the character. Also, you might have noticed that objects, the newly added objects, don't have any obstacles added to them, so you can just walk through them. I'll be adding that later on. My today's priority was instancing and nothing else. The door here is actually not just graphics, it's an object. because I needed to draw it over the character, and if it's an object, I can like use its settings or action resolutions, so it's easier for me to catch the click that transfers the character between locations. Now, after I've yo okay, this is interesting. I guess I found a bug. Let's load the game. How did I get there? Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. Also, when it moves you into, or sets the game into the instance mode, it like moves you outside of the map area. So back then, when I was working on it, I could actually click on the ground and forage or chop trees or pick branches or whatever. Right now I'm really far off screen, so it's not possible to reach the overworld screen. Also, it remembers the character location when you're entering, so it will pop you out in the same location where you entered or entered from. What else I've done? Yeah, I'm just trying to describe how I've done it, so it might actually help someone. I'm not sure if this is the best way to handle things, but it is the only thing I have come up with, or the easiest thing I have come up with. I guess I'm done talking now. I should really hunt down that bug and fix it. Alright, see ya guys next time.